guys, so today I am super excited about this review. Probably the best product that I have ever used. So it's the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. This is what the box looks like. Literally just this in it and some cardboard pieces that holds it all together so it doesn't get damaged. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a normal plug-in. Just the two little prongs. Is that what it's called? Last video I uploaded, my hair was pretty much, it was balayage. So all the blonde is gone. We dyed it back to like my natural brown, my root color, and did a really big trim. So it's healthy again, and I love it. So I don't want to keep damaging my hair the way I have been because I really want to grow it, and I needed to cut it. So I wanted to get a hot tool that wasn't as hot as a straightener, as damaging as a straightener, because that's what I use all the time, and is not as hard as a blow dryer and round brush. It's just, it takes so long, your arms get tired. This is the way to go. And guys, it's as big as my head. I thought it'd be so much smaller. It's light, it's like not heavy at all. It's just big, but that's great because it takes more hair. But yeah, it's like an oval, you can see that way. So I also show you guys what products I use pretty much every time I wash my hair. It's just a Damage Remedy by Aveda. It's a Kevin Murphy detangling spray, which smells like heaven. I'm almost out, so I need to go buy like 4 more, even though they're like, what, 30, 20, 30. And then I just have like a heat protected Repair and Protect by Tresemme. But yeah, you'll see everything, so just keep watching and have a great time. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching. this is the final look. If you guys like the whole blowout look and find it more difficult to use like a blow dryer and a round brush, this is definitely the way to go. I'm so in love. I am so in love with this. It was so much easier. It cut down the time, probably by like 20 minutes. Even if you're just maybe doing your bangs, it helps out a lot. But it's so smooth and it's so easy to use and it's not heavy. It has like these levels, so you can just do a cool air, low and high, and then obviously off. I will link their website down below as well as the link to this exact product. It's awesome. And the good part about this is that it's not too hot where you can burn your finger, because like sometimes you got to push the hair in it. And like you're using this, and this does get like decently hot, but you're not burning yourself. Again, be careful, but it's a great hot tool. So it gives me the same amount of volume that it would with any hot tool I used, whether that be a blow dryer, a straightener, or a curling wand. But that's just the way it is. If you don't have much volume in your roots, that can't really change it. You could probably do more closer to the roots, but I also learned that the more heat you put directly on your roots, the flatter it gets. So I'm still gonna use my teasing comb and my hairspray. That's just my everyday thing, and it really helps with the volume. And yeah, guys, this is literally the best thing I've ever got. So go order it, go buy it, go look at it, just go and let me know how it goes, because I'm freaking happy. Have a great day, guys. I will talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow my socials, Instagram, link below, Twitter, link below. I'm gonna go start my day. It's like 1 o'clock.